morning, good afternoon, good evening. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can upload your video and make it all in one using Movavi software. So as you see, this is my screen. What you're gonna do if you don't have Movavi yet, go to Google and then just type Movavi. Movavi. So type Movavi and it will show you the Movavi here. You can upload, host, and share videos if you want, and just click on that and it will take you to the Movavi website. If you don't have an account yet, just join for free, create an account, and once you've done, you can download it for free for trial and a paid version. Okay, so I already have it on my computer, so I'll just show you guys how it looks like once you've downloaded it into your computer. So here is the Movavi video editor class. So this is the platform that you will use to compile the videos that you want. Okay, so as you see here, there is a file import. Click that one and you add the files. Okay, click the add the files and it will show you the files that you want to add, wherever it is, wherever you save it. If you save it on your computer, if you save it on your phone, your iPhone, your Android, you can always get it and put into the Movavi editor platform. Okay, for example, I want to add this video of me. I just open it and it will show you here on the media bin. So this is the media bin where all the videos that you want to put into one to compile, it will show up here. So I got this one video. What you're gonna do is just to click it and drag it here in the middle. Okay, so this is for the text, this is for the video track, and here is for the audio track. So you see there is an audio here and there's a video there. There's no text yet. I'm not gonna make a tutorial on text, maybe on the other video, but just uploading videos and make it one. So this is how it looks like. So the video is too long, so I want to split it, I want to cut it. So it's all up to you guys. This is the marker where you want to cut the videos. As you see here, the minutes, the seconds are moving around. So it's all up to you guys how many minutes or how many seconds you want to your video. So let's say I want to cut it here for 16 seconds. You see here 16 seconds. And then just right click here and all you gotta do is to split. So once you split here, it's already split. So all you need is this video and you don't need this, so just right click and delete it. Okay, so now here is the first video that you want to use to put on your compilation. Okay, next you want to add another video. Just go to the file import, add the files, and get the video that you want. Okay, let's say for example I want to add this one and I want to open it and it will show up here. So I already have two videos. I've got this one, so I'm gonna drag this one here down here, and there you go. It's too long. I don't need that long. I just need some seconds of this. So let's say 24 seconds. Right click, split, and delete this one. Okay, so make sure that it's all yellow, highlighted in yellow, so that you can delete it. Okay, right click and delete. Okay, one more time, go to the file import, add files, and add another video. Let's say this one, open it, and it will pop up here. So I have 3 videos already uploaded into this media bin. Drag this one down here and split it up. Okay, if you don't want to split, it's okay. It's all up to you how many seconds and minutes you want. Okay, so I'm gonna split this for 32 seconds. Right click and split, and then I don't need this one, so just click and delete. So I have 3 videos here on my video editing software. Okay, so now it's already done. So if you want to just create like this without any transition, without any text, you can keep going and export it. But I'm gonna show you guys how I put the transition that you can put onto your videos if you want to. So here are the transitions. If you see, this is a transition, there is a filters, there is a text, title if you want to put titles. So it's all up to you. You can just play around, and then I'm just gonna use the transition first, because for what I did for our art exhibition, videos, I put some transitions. So if you want to do that, there's so many transitions here that you can choose from. You can play with it and just choose whatever transition you want. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use the mosaic transition. What you're going to do is, if this is what you want, click this one and drag to the video here where you split. Okay, so it will transit to another video after the first one. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna play this one. Very smooth. Transition is very smooth if you put transition. That's why I want to put transition for this. Okay, let's say I want this transition. Just click this one and put into the other video. Okay, after you finish the second one, it will change to another video, but there is a transition. So let's see this transition. Alright, so that's it. So that's how you put the transition for each video that you compile and make it into one. Alright, so the other thing that I want to share with you guys is just how you can delete this audio. If you don't want to put some audio, or you just want to, the video itself, no noise, no talking, things like that, what you're gonna do is just to click this one, not all of this, because if you click if this all highlighted in yellow and you delete it, it will delete everything. So what you want to do here is just, you want to delete the audio, so just put your mouse here, cursor here on the audio, point it there and click that one, and then you see the audio is all highlighted in yellow, and right click on it and then just delete it. So there is no sounds, as you see, right? And same as the other video, just delete it. With this one highlighted with yellow, delete it, and there is no sounds. So if you want to take the sounds off your video, just all you're gonna do is to right click and delete the audio track. If you make a mistake and you want to put it back, just click this one, the undo, and it all played back. So this is how I did a video using Movavi software, and after you finish with that, you watch all of it, and if you're good with that, what you're gonna do next is to click the export, so that you can export the video you made into your folders, or wherever you wanted to save it, to your computer, you want to save it on your folders or on your video files. You can choose where you want to save it here. Just browse where you want it to do, and then put the title, what kind of video is that. Just put the title, like what I did, it's all art exhibit, and just put art exhibit. The quality of the video you want, the good, the high, and the highest, it's all up to you. The resolution, the duration, it's 2 minutes, and the file size of your video. So once you're set up with this, you're good with that, just click to start, and it will upload it to the drive where you want to save it. Right. Okay, so that's all, guys, for today. This is a short tutorial on how you can upload a video into one, making compilation and export it into your drive using Movavi. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other questions, just let me know and I'm happy to help. So see you next time. Bye.